And the first person to register for the 2024 Sun Run was Kyle Miller. Hey, John. Have you seen Kyle around?
I ain't seen him, brother.
All right. Where the hell did he go? I don't know, man. Can't track him down. Not really sure. Kyle! Whatever.
Hi, Mr. Picola. How are you today?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, you look
good.
cute. We are all set on this area right here for the street party, correct?
Yeah, we still have to figure out, like, we said Chartier's truck might go here, and then the Mercury Racing truck is going to be here because we want more people, but at this point it's just little things, finding out where we can fit them.
So our differences this year is we're taking the dunk tank from here, we're moving it up to create more activity in this area.
Yeah.
We have been able to shut down these streets now, which we didn't have last year.
Yeah, and we got a VIP viewing area for the fireworks.
Oh, we're having fireworks?
We are.
Yay.
Yeah, we were able to.
Yay.
An event tent and a stage. We're going to have live music this year, which is pretty awesome.
And then this year for the run, because we didn't want to split everybody up, just explain that to me again because I'm lost on it.
Okay, so we're going to start at Cabana Blue, go the whole way across the lake, around Belle Isle through the no-wake zone.
So we're going down to Belle Isle first this year.
Yep, and then we're going to stop at Hook. So Cabana Blue, around Belle Isle,
Yep.
Hook, leave Hook, come up through the North Channel by Belfours, around the top of the island, down to South Channel Yacht Club. We have a stop at South Channel.
And we did not have the South Channel Yacht Club last year.
Nope, it's a new stop. They have more than enough dockage for this many boats. But on the day that we're going, there should be nobody there. It's just going to be us. We have a clubhouse. We have a large grass field, food trucks. It's just going to be us and the people we invite.
From the South Channel Yacht Club, we're going straight back to Cabana Blue.
Yep, so this year we're going out through the lighthouses, back to Cabana Blue, and that's where our dinner's going to be.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Well, we need to get in the room with Ryan. Let me just... Oh, hang on a second. Ryan Wink, running a few minutes late, leaving county line shortly.
2 hours later.
Go back, please.
You might have built this one.
Because it's new?
New in 95. That dude looks like Mike Tyson. Did that guy actually make it from New York to...
Hey, ah, dang, look at the time.
Paul, did you do your hair for this video?
Yeah.
Just for this video?
I had to go home and do it, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Nice job, Paul.
Yeah, I'm growing up.
The registration opens later this week. Now we got to start promoting the event and get people excited for doing the actual Sun Run, signing up for it, try to beat our number from last year. So
We got the groundwork pretty much done. We're looking good on that aspect.
So let's just talk about the street party really quick.
So this year we hooked up with Parks and Rec, New Baltimore Parks and Rec. They are the ones that are doing the advertising. Let all the locals know what is happening. We pulled in a huge crowd. We want a bigger crowd.
Yeah.
And one of the biggest things, fireworks.
Fireworks? That actually got approved?
Oh,
Yeah.
Who approved it?
You. Last year, all this was a harebrained idea to have this street party.
Yeah.
Now we got proof of concept. The entire town and businesses are behind us 110%.
I think it's awesome that we're giving back to the community in a way that helps us kind of remind people we're here.
Yeah.
Look what we build, and we do it in your backyard, and we have customers all over the world, and we're doing it all from here, you know?
And being born and raised right there, there's nothing more proud than to bring something like that to downtown New Baltimore, which has exploded in the last couple of years, just as far as bars, restaurants, activities, things to do, places to go, people to see.
Now there's cars instead of horse and buggies, like back when you guys were stomping the streets.
All right, fun run then. You guys kind of streamlined it. We took a lot of the feedback in from people from last year's run and the year before, trying to keep the groups together.
This whole event is about just us all being together.
Yeah.
So we looked at everything we did last year, and not that we failed, but where did we fail? Where did people split off? What happened? How can we avoid that?
Where can we make it better?
Where can we make it better? How do we keep people together? Because I'll tell you what, when you got 150 sensations all in one spot, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. So the only other thing of concern that came up in the feedback last year was we weren't able to get photos of every single person's boat, which I don't think that's ever going to be entirely possible. But we are bringing on more photographers for that part of it to try to bridge that gap. And there's going to be a media boat with these guys from Scrapyard with photographers on it as well. So I can't imagine we don't step up 5 times what we did last year with the approach we're taking this year, and we're making a bigger investment in it, but it's going to give people everything they want. We haven't talked really at all about the raft off, and that I can tell you for a fact. I've heard more people saying they're coming and they're staying the full weekend because they felt that they had FOMO from missing the raft off last year. In the highlight video, I mean, it looked like it was an insane time, and it was a blast, right?
Our wind down, which was supposed to be the raft off, everybody knows that's when we're supposed to chill because we just busted our butts for 2 days in a row. The recovery raft off.
Such a horrible name.
Yeah, I think
we're going to keep it.
Yeah.
I think we're going to take the week off after that one. Seriously, I'm looking forward to that one.
Let's take some bets. What do you think registration is going to be, let's say, 1 week after we open it?
125.
Oh, 1 week after we open?
125?
Yep, 7 days.
7 days to hit 125 boats?
Yeah.
Wow. Bold.
I'm going to say 75.
I'm going to go right in the middle and just say 100, I guess.
Okay.
Wimp.
I can't say it's going to be less than 75 because I don't feel like it will be, but we'll see.
It's going to fill up fast.
Oh,
It's
man.
not a bet unless we have money in.
I would say the classic dollar bet, but that just doesn't feel like it's fun enough for this. Oh, how about that? Are we doing the dunk tank this year?
Yep.
Whoever the losers are have to be the first and second person in the dunk tank this year. What do you think of that? I'm going to regret it if I'm wrong, so.
All right.
Deal.
Oh, shit.
Dunk tank.
Sold.
All right.
What do we got? 5 months right now?
Fuck.
From
Yeah.
today?
It's coming quick.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, under 5 months. So it's going to sneak up just like last year did. But well done, guys. Appreciate
Thank
the
you
help.
very much.
Well,
Had fun.
and listen, because you were late, I got things to do. We're out.
It's lunch. Taking this.
Let's go find Michael. I think he's here to pick up a boat, take it back to Ozarks today. There's a lot of
There are a lot of
a lot of
motors.
engines. There's a lot of engines here.
Are they engines or motors?
I don't know. We're just gonna keep stirring that pot.
You motorboater. You motorboating son of a bitch.
Everyone gave me shit last year when I said the exact same thing. Now here we are a year later, and nobody knows how to say engine. The employees appreciate it anytime somebody comes and just acknowledges the work that they put in, because for all the dealers, but you guys too, we do try to go above and beyond the best we can.
Thanks, brother.
Yeah. Woo-hoo! Look at that. They're floaters, but I like to pretend they're spinners, like it's 2002. They look cool. Now it's a haul truck.
So Sunrun registration, tell me about how that went.
Well, caused a little confusion on is it midnight at 12 a.m. or 12? I still don't know the answer to that, but the instant feedback is that we had 75 people sign up in an hour. And then, yeah, we hit 100 by 9 a.m. the next day. So I would say that's insane. I lost a bet. I didn't think we'd hit 100 that fast to John and Paul. We do have 5 months until the event, so I think we've got plenty of time to build it up.
Who got that first registration?
Is this how we're announcing it? Congratulations to Mike Campbell, the actual winner of our first to sign up for the Sun Run 2024 contest. His boat will be featured on the 2025 event shirt. So congratulations, Mike. For everybody else who hasn't signed up yet, visit thesunrun.com to register for the event. Get all the details and information. Registration closes at the end of May. Until then, subscribe on YouTube. We'll have another contest similar to this one for one more chance to get your boat on the Sun Run t-shirt for 2025. As of today, we're less than 150 days from the Sun Run. We'll see you there.